Hi guys, welcome back to Motor Maniacs. This is Pratik.
Hi guys, this is Akshay.
So अक्षय ट्रायम्फ ने अभी टीजर दिया था एंड भाभी लॉन्च करी दिखा दी 660 ट्रायम्फ Daytona
660 Daytona, the legendary Daytona name.
that we saw in 675cc, bloody 128 bhp, precise handling.
14,500 RPM, screaming engine.
आप लोगों को अगर बाइकर एंथुजियास्ट हो ये बाइक के बारे में पता ही होगा. सेकेंड हैंड मार्केट में बाइक आज भी इतनी महंगी बिक रही है, इतनी डिमांड है इसकी बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स प्रिसाइजली शेप्ड एंड परफॉर्मेंस ओरिएंटेड.
In terms of handling, आज भी जो लोग जानते हैं वो क्या बात कर रहे हैं. There is no comparison. जब ये बाइक ट्रैक पे चलती है या किसी अच्छी रोड पे अगर आपके पास अवेलेबल है, this bike is a monster.
करेक्ट. बट डू वी नीड 660 इन इंडिया? बिकॉज अब इनका कॉन्सेप्ट ही बदल गया है.
Yeah.
इट्स बेस्ड ऑन द सेम 660 जो आपकी आ रही है अभी ट्रायम्फ की बाइक आ रही है एंड जो टाइगर 660 है या
Yeah.
जो दूसरी क्या कहते हैं छोटी सी
The Trident.
टाइगर 660
The Trident.
है. इट विल हैव 95 bhp ऑफ पावर. सो ऑब्वियसली इट्स विल नॉट बी एग्रेसिव. लुक से पता लग रहा है इट विल बी मोर ऑफ अ स्पोर्ट्स टूरर.
This is a disappointing thing, guys. जो हुआ है, and not only the Indian customer is disappointed, even the international audience is disappointed.
Correct.
You bought back the Daytona name, and you've given it a fairing and a sports tourer sort of a look, and that's it. You haven't done anything.
I believe they are doing the same mistake that Honda CB660 did.
yeah.
बाइक को थोड़ा और 40 बना के ज्यादा महंगा कर दिया, 10 लाख से ऊपर कर दिया एंड दिस इज विल बी कमिंग अगेन एट 11 और 12 लाख.
Guys, जब भी हमने Triumph के insider information या interviews हमने सुनी है, they don't see the potential in developing the Daytona platform further. I don't know why. They are saying कि हमारे को इससे sales नहीं मिल रही हैं, and I really don't have any idea what they're talking about. If a 1000cc motorcycle can sell so well internationally and in India, why will a 700cc not do well or a
Because अब तो
650cc?
ट्रेंड चेंज हो गया बॉस. People are not buying liter class bikes. R1 is getting discontinued.
Yeah.
The Gixxer is already discontinued.
But
Firebird might get discontinued.
from the heart, people are still buying a Panigale. People are still buying a S1000RR. That sort of market will not die, and there is still you can make the Daytona as a halo bike,
Correct.
the sort of bike that people get excited about and come to your showroom to see.
Exactly. As of now, we have just ZX6R as a middleweight option,
Yeah.
proper super sport,
Yeah.
and it will sell because it is a monopoly now. And priced so well, it will sell.
You know what I'm disappointed
You
about?
come out with Daytona 675 again with a 765 engine.
Yeah.
Price it even 1 lakh more than the ZX6R will still sell.
You know what's crazy? They can launch the same damn bike again and it will sell. And
Correct.
let me tell you, it will sell like anything. Same bike. I don't want them to change anything and it will still sell. That is it. That's the potential of that bike. और अगर आप इंडिया में guys, अगर आप एक बाइकर enthusiast रहे हैं 2015-16 के अंदर, you already know the sort of following that Daytona has. And
Correct.
Triumph, I mean, I don't know. I really don't know. कि आपके accountants, they're running the company, or you don't want to make
Well,
bikes that people really want.
Akshay is very much pissed off.
I am really pissed
So
off.
I will not take this video further.
No, I'm
So
really
the
pissed off.
the message has been clear. Do we actually need Daytona 660 in India?
It's not gonna sell.
No, we don't
The
need it.
Trident is not selling. Let me tell you guys, the Tiger Sport 660 is not selling. The Trident is not selling.
Correct.
And even if the Daytona 660 comes to India, it's not gonna sell.
Correct.
आप Triumph के शोरूम जाइए. आपका Triumph जो Sport 660 है, वो बहुत आपको जो साल पहले खड़ा हुआ है वही आपको खड़ा हुआ फिर से मिल जाएगा. Nobody's buying it.
क्योंकि इतना छोटा इंजन बड़ी बाइक है बट पावर प्राइस ही बहुत आता है. 660 is a very good bike but उसकी प्रेजेंस बहुत कम है. So obviously why one
Even I don't know. I know the Trident is a good bike. I'm not saying it's not a good bike, but why are you misusing the name Daytona?
Correct.
That is the problem. So, all right.
So comment down in the section. Do you actually need 660?
We will keep our old. We will try to get our old Daytonas only.
Exactly.
Second-hand market is our best friend.
Triumph, are you listening? Go ahead and launch 675 again. So guys, do share and subscribe. Do share it with your friends and let us know what you think about the new Trident, or I would say Daytona 660 with a fairing.
With the fairing.
So thanks you guys. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.